What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from DoseVT, bringing you guys another video. So this time I have the SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless. So this is the top of the line when it comes to SteelSeries headphones. So as you guys can see from the front of the box, it's for PCs or PS4. I do have a PS4. There'll be a video coming out soon of the PC that I built. I'll show you guys like all the parts that I bought. It's not cheap by any means. I went big or go home on the PC, so I thought I'd go big, go home on the headphones that I'm going to use. So these are what I said, the top of the line headphones. These are completely wireless, as it says. You have your little amp box right here that you can make all your adjustments. Then when you're using it on PCs, Arctis has their own built-in adjustable like sound. So that's also a plus there. Let me get my knife here. Then we'll cut this puppy open. So the reason why I bought these was basically just for comfort purposes. The headphones I used before these, I used the Logitech 933s, I believe. They're not bad headphones. I just didn't like the comfort basically on the top of the head. Everything was fine about them, had good sound. Had that RGB effect and stuff like that, so nothing bad about those headphones, just didn't like the comfort after a long time of playing. But as you guys can see, it brings you everything you got right here. So you get the audio cable, optical cable, charging cable, USB cable, and then another power cable. Then this shows what the dock has on here. And then it goes down into more details. Obviously, I'm not going to list all of them, but the most important one right here is that 20 hours. It comes with 2 batteries, so you should get a lot of gameplay out of them, because one can be charging as you're using the other one, so you can swap them out pretty quickly. You don't have to worry about using wires too much, besides when you've been gaming for a long time and you kill both batteries, and that's probably a little bit different. But the best thing that I like about these is their noise cancellation. So I won't have to hear other things around me. It'll surround basically the atmosphere around the headphones and stuff like that. And obviously Arctis is now showing off all their big titles with why they have the best gaming headset up on the market. So we'll have to put that to test and find out if it's that legit. So taking off the box here, obviously you're going to be presented with the headphones. The big reason I like these headphones is because of this band right here. So this band is flexible. The ear cups, very soft. I wouldn't say it's too lightweight, but it's got some weight to it. I'm not expecting something at this price point, spending basically $300 something. I didn't spend that much because I work at Best Buy, so I got a little bit cheaper. But for that price point, you want high quality headphones that will last and feel like they're gonna last. But here is the dock. As you guys can see, you got your line in, line out, charging cable, USB, optical in, optical out. Then nothing on the front. This is just a display screen right here. Then you got your buttons to adjust. Then I believe this is where the battery goes, if I can open this up. Yeah. So the battery will go right here. But that's that. Taking out this little piece. Gives you all your accessories. So that's the last thing in the box. So I'll put the box over here. Now we get all the accessories. Documentations, don't really need that. So you got your cables. This looks like the charging cable. This one is the headphone cable. Then looks like another charging cable. Then whatever this is probably the power cable. Then you got one battery. I'm guessing the other one's inside the headset. Then I guess so. This is probably the little cushion for the mic that goes on front of here to obviously block all the sound. And you got your optical cable. So you got everything that you would need for these type of headphones. Put all this out here. So it comes with a lot, which is nice, especially if you're gonna pay $300 something for this stuff. For a pair of headphones, that's a lot of money, and you can probably find as good, probably not as great with all the features that you want in headphones like these, but there are certain things that I wanted. Like I wanted it to be soft around the ear cups. I wanted the band just because when you see most headphones, they have that big cushion at the very tippy top right there. So when it does sit in your head for a long period of time, it's going to flatten out, but it still puts a lot of pressure there. But with the headphones, it looks like this is the side where the battery is. Oh, it's not. Maybe it's the other side. I'm wrong. They don't make this stuff easy to get off. There we go. Batteries on this side. Looks like it's just connected on there by magnets. Pretty strong magnets, by the way. Looking around the headphones, you got your Bluetooth, indicator lights, power button. That's all that's on this side. Then on the other side, you got your mic. It's retractable, all that jazz. Then you got your charging right here, USB, old USB. And then you got your headphone jack. Then another, what is this? This is like another, I think that's USB, I think A or something like that. I'll have to look into that and see exactly what that's for. Then you got your adjustable volume up and down. Then the mute and unmute of your mic, which is nice, just to have that button. It's pretty durable. Like, I'm spanning these pretty far. And yes, I did pay for these, so if they break, I'm gonna lose some money here. So, pretty durable. They twist in and out right there. So pretty nice design. I like everything about it. This is metal. Then you got plastic all around here. It's just this hinge part right here is definitely metal because you can feel the weight of it. The actual band up here will be metal. It's pretty nice. Like I said, they're not too heavy, but I'm hoping not to feel that based off the band since it's adjustable, and you can have that gap right there if you wanted. But I mean, I like everything about these headphones that I see so far. That's why I bought them. But we'll have to test them out and see how they work once I get my PC up and running. Then we'll go from there. But if you guys have any questions about these headphones, if they're really worth it, it's because you're spending a lot of money, and you can probably find just as good headphones, maybe with a little bit less features than these, that are more bang for your buck. Because, like I said, it is $300 plus to buy something like this, unless you find it on sale somewhere, then you can get a good deal. But it is a lot of money to be spending on a pair of headphones. So, just let me know if you guys got any questions, but thanks for watching. Peace.